Let's go. Now, we're going to go down to some little river thing our Emma has down here by her house. We brought the big spoon with us to dig a hole for the little spoon. We wanted to put it in the culvert, but Emma informed me that some water washes it away, whatever. But we're gonna have to get it wet. Oh my god! Damn birds. Okay. Okay. We're gonna get them wet, and we're gonna set it somewhere. Maybe we can put it, no, I wanna wash away there. No, I'll figure it out. On our journey to finding the perfect, wait. On our